Welcome to JM Neat Physics. I am Murugan. Last video I discussed the spectral series of high-tension atom. In the heading types of spectral series first types பத்தி பார்த்தோம். Lyman series பத்தி பார்த்தோம். Next in the video second type Balmer series பத்தி பார்க்கலாம். The Balmer series lives in visible region. The first point, visible region. The Balmer series lives in visible region. Next, so in the Balmer series நம்ம என்ன find out பண்ண போறோம் அப்படினு பாத்தீங்கன்னா wave number and wavelength of Balmer series அத பத்தி find out பண்ண போறோம். To find wave number or wavelength of Balmer series. இதான் நம்ம find out பண்ண போறோம். Next என்ன மாதிரி ஃபார்முலா யூஸ் பண்ணி find out பண்ண போறோம் அப்படினா ஃபார்முலா wave number is equal to reciprocal of wavelength, that is also equivalent to Ribber constant divided by 1 by n square minus 1 by m square. So this is the formula. In the formula r into the Ribber constant, n and m are positive integers அப்படினு சொல்லுவாங்க. இதுல n is greater than small n. This is a condition, positive integers. Next, transactions. Transaction of Balmer series. Transaction of Balmer series. So என்னென்ன transactions இருக்கு in Balmer series அப்படினு பாத்தீங்கன்னா n வந்து 2, m வந்து 3, 4, 5 dot infinity. This is higher order value, this one is lower order value. So the transaction written in 1 by 1, 3 tends to 2. This is the first Balmer transaction, 3 tends to 2, and the second one 4 tends to 2, and 5 tends to 2, and 6 tends to 2. Similarly infinity tends to 2. So இது எல்லாமே Balmer transactions. These are all one more questions. Balmer transactions. The first Balmer transaction 3 tends to 2. This is first line of Balmer series. First line of Balmer series. First line of Balmer transaction or line of series, and second, this is second line of Balmer series. This one is last one is series limit of Balmer series. The first line of Balmer series transaction 3 tends to 2. So next, wavelength order of Balmer series. Wavelength order of Balmer series. Wavelength 3 tends to 2 is maximum, and another wavelength 4 tends to 2, this is minimum. Wavelength of infinity tends to 2. So this is the order of wavelength order of Balmer series. Next, 3 tends to 2 greater than lambda, 4 tends to 2 greater than lambda, infinity tends to 2. So this is the order of wavelength order of Balmer series. And 3 tends to 2, this transaction for H alpha transactions, H alpha, and another one H beta transactions. 4 tends to 2 H beta transactions, and 5 tends to 2, that is H gamma transactions, and 6 tends to 2, that is H delta transactions. So H alpha transactions, H beta transactions, H gamma transaction, H delta transactions. So this is also another format of Balmer series. This is also very important, 1 marks. Next, frequency order of Balmer series. Frequency order of Balmer series. So the frequency 3 tends to 2 is less than, and the next transaction 4 tends to 2 is maximum, and infinity tends to 2. So this is the frequency order of Balmer series. Next, to find the first line of Balmer series. To find the first line of Balmer series. So the wave number is equal to reciprocal of wavelength. First wavelength is equal to Ribber constant into, what is the first line of Balmer series transaction? N is equal to 2 and M is equal to 3. So 1 by n square minus 1 by m square. This is the formula. So in the formula, n and ml values are substituted. So 1 by 2 square 4 and 3 square 9 and 4 by 9. And 4 by 9 simplified, R is equal to denominator 36 and 9 minus 4 equal to R into 5 by 36. 5 by 36. 5 by 36. So this is wave number, or reciprocal of wavelength, is equal to 5R by 36. So the first line of wavelength value 36 divided by, take reciprocal 5R. Or when substitute the Ribber constant in this expression, the wavelength value, first line of Balmer series wavelength value 6563 Armstrong. So totally 2 answer is possible. One is complete wavelength value, another one without substitution of Ribber constant. So 2 values are possible. Next, to find second line of Balmer series. Second line of Balmer series. The second line of Balmer series, the positive integer value n is equal to 2, m is equal to 4. So this value substitute in wave number expression. Wave number is equal to 1 by reciprocal of wavelength is equal to R into 1 by n square minus 1 by m square. So Ribber constant, the values are substitute. So 1 divided by 4 minus 1 divided by 2 square 4 and 4 square 16. 4 square 16. And simplify this answer, R is equal to divided by 64 and 16 minus 4. Take LCM and simplify finally this answer, 3R divided by 16. So this is wave number. So the wave number is equal to reciprocal of wavelength value is equal to 3R by 16. 3R by 16. Next, second wavelength, take reciprocal 16 divided by 3R. This is one answer. Next, another answer, when substitute the Ribber constant in this expression and simplified value 4861 Armstrong. 4861 Armstrong. So this is second line of Balmer series. Next, series limit. To find the wavelength of series limit of Balmer series. Series limit of Balmer series. The positive integer value n is equal to 2, m is equal to infinity. So this value substitute in the expression, the wave number expression is equal to reciprocal of wavelength, that is also equal to r into 1 by n square minus 1 by m square. So in this formula substitute, r is equal to 1 divided by 2 square 4, 1 by infinity square. So r divided by 4, this is wave number or reciprocal of wavelength. Reciprocal of wavelength. So another name, another value, another simplified value. When substitute the Ripper constant in this expression, what is the final answer value? The wave series limit value 4 divided by r is equal to, when substitute the Ripper constant in this expression, and value, the wavelength value 36 Armstrong. 36 Armstrong. Next to find the wavelength first line of Balmer series and the wavelength of second line of Balmer series. That to find the ratio of first line of Balmer series and the second line of Balmer series. So the lambda 1 divided by lambda 2 is equal to, what is the lambda 1 value? 36 divided by 5r into 3r divided by 16. This is lambda 2 value. Take reciprocal and simplify, and final answer, this is 4 times, this one is 9 times, and final answer 27 by 20. So another answer for the first line of Balmer series and the second line of Balmer series, the ratio value, the another answer 65-63 Armstrong divided by 48-61 Armstrong. So the Armstrong cancel, and then next step 65-63 divided by 48-61. So the ratio of first line of Balmer series and the second line of Balmer series value 27 by 20 or 65-63 divided by 48-61. So totally 2 answers are possible. Next, to find the first line of Balmer series, the ratio of first line of Balmer series and series limit of Balmer series. Series limit of Balmer series. Next, this also very important, one more question. And the next one, lambda 1 divided by the ratio of first line of Balmer series and the series limit of Balmer series. The first line of Balmer series is 36 divided by 5r into r by 4. The 4 by r take reciprocal, the r cancel, and the 4 and 9 times, so 9 by 5. So the another answer is possible for first line of Balmer series and series limit of Balmer series value is equal to this answer 65-63 Armstrong, this one 36 Armstrong. So the Armstrong cancel, finally 65-63 divided by 36. This is another answer. This is also very important, one more questions. இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்தா இந்த சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள், பக்கத்தில் இருக்கிற பெல் பட்டனை ப்ரெஸ் பண்ணுங்கள், உங்கள் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸுகளுக்கு ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள். இந்த வீடியோ ஏதாவது டவுட் இருந்தால் கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்கள். தேங்க்யூ.